Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of the 2026 Yamaha 252 SE. Love the colors on this boat. This has the main side as the powder blue, and then it has got a lower highlighted blue accent stripe with a black bottom. Just absolutely gorgeous boat. This does come paired with this 2-axle trailer with swing away tongue. Come around to the back of the boat. Let me show you some of my favorite features. This boat does have the water sports tower that will fold. It has the extra large bimini top that oscillates back as you lower that tower, so you can get into a garage or underneath a lower clearance bridge. The business happens back here on this Yamaha jet boat. You have this whole rear entertaining area with rear facing seats, C-deck platform, a center walkthrough with removable filler cushion. These two seats will actually also slide inwards to give you a whole lounger area instead of a seat. You've got all your controls back here that you'd want. You've got a freshwater wash down to be able to hose off feed or just get clean. You've got rear firing speakers, a 12-volt accessory outlet to help inflate the tube. And then also you've got your radio controls with the zone control on it as well. That means you can be listening to music out here and keep it quiet inside the cockpit, or vice versa. This boat does have a telescopic stainless steel ladder. It has the slide-in bar stool seats. That's right, you heard me. L-shaped seats that sit down just below the water line come with this boat, so you can sit here and lounge in comfort. And of course, you got the underwater light in blue on this boat too. Let's go inside and continue looking around. All right, thanks for joining me inside. I'm up here in the bow of this boat, and it is a huge bow. Tons of room for all your friends. I love the curvature on the bolstering for the seats to give you a very comfortable seating position. This boat comes with a filler cushion up here to make this whole area a lounger pad. I like how they have the stepped area with the C-deck padding on to get off the bow of the boat. And then, of course, you've got an anchor storage that's dedicated and a flip-out bow ladder as well for really nice forward bow entry. Coming through the center walk-through of the boat, the console door substitutes as an air dam door, so you can shut that windshield and get that convertible kind of feel for those cooler mornings. This boat has the 12-inch Connect screen. This boat has all your controls built right into the screen, your radio, GPS, lightings, everything, bilge pump, nav lights, all built into that screen. And because this is an E-Series boat, we have the push button start and stop, and the electronic shift and throttles to make it very smooth and crisp response when going in and out of gear. This boat also has the full snap-in C-deck flooring to give it that ultimate luxury experience. A under co-helm storage compartment. You can put a porta potty in there. Those are also those bar stool seats I was telling you about. And then you have a huge wraparound seat in here in the cockpit of the boat. This is removable here, so you can quickly take this out if you want that dedicated transom walkthrough. Or if you're just lounging and entertaining, we can pop up the table. Yamaha's really thought of everything on this boat. Would love to show you here in person at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina.